Hello, I'm here to talk about the Pediatric Hearing Aid Kit from Phonak. This little backpack is great for kiddos to take to school, as well as for mom or dad to have in the diaper bag when they're out and about. The Pediatric clip has 2 silicone rings that are used to slide onto the hearing aid. So we have our hearing aid. We take the silicone rings and we just slide it up the hearing aid, like so. And then we have our little clip that we can put on the back of the kiddo's t-shirt and clip right on. The clip is great for babies or kiddos who are more active, so we don't have to worry. The dry caps go into the bottom of the dry beaker. You just pop them out of their casing and put them in the bottom. And these dry caps is where you should be putting your hearing aids every night to help dry off any moisture that could have accumulated throughout the day. It is important to make sure that when you're putting your hearing aid inside the dry beaker at the end of the day, the door is all the way open and the battery is taken out. Battery tester, and you place it smooth side up. So we have 2 sides, and we'll place this smoother side facing up onto this gold plate, and we just push it up against the bar, and it'll tell us if we have enough juice. To perform a listening check, place this tan cone onto the ear mold. Ooh, you can hear some feedback. This tube goes into your ear to see if there's any sound coming out. Phonak ear puffer. We can take our tube off and you can just place it right here into the tubing and you just puff some air out. This should help get out any excess moisture or clean any debris. Take that off and we can place the tube right back on to the ear hook. Along with all of these items in the kit, Phonak also has the Pediatric Care Kit Guide, which goes over everything I talked about today in case you forget how to do a listening check or need a reminder of which tools do what.